Hi, today I'm going to give you an overview of the job section of Merchant Ops. So the job log is essentially where any job that's kicked off in the background, you can go to view the status. Now, generally, jobs are long-running tasks. So the major areas where we leverage the background task operation is in ingesting documents like PDFs and Excel files because they take a while to process. And the other one is when we enrich a product. So if we take the base information from the product area and enrich it, it goes through a background process as well as we go out and search the web and generate the new descriptions. So those jobs are really identified by this badge here from enrichment to ingestion. And then you also have a status to see essentially whether the job completed, failed, or it was completed with errors. Maybe it partially did. You can see things like durations, how long they ran, when it was created, and who submitted it. So to take a look at like just an enrichment, what you will see is that down here there's a table and it lists the products that were done in that enrichment. Now you can do more than one if you want, but in this case only one was done. And generally you can hot link to the product from the job just to save you the time from having to go and search. If there was an error that took place when the job ran, like this one in particular, you can see that it failed. And you'll see a notice as to why it failed. So in this case, it says it was enrichment was skipped due to insufficient data quality. So we do try to avoid going through the enrichment process if we were unsuccessful, for example, finding the product display page on the web, or if the information in Lakehouse was insufficient to actually go generate a description. So we give you that information. There might be some technical information there. If you believe it happened in error, you can actually resubmit it. And just, go back to the product or the Lakehouse and kick it off again. But that's, generally how it works. And in this case, you can see there was multiple items in here where one was successful and one wasn't. And again, you'll see information in here like URL validation failed. It points to a category for men's products and it's not mentioned a specific product. So that just, kind of goes to the heart of, in some cases, sometimes the search doesn't come up with the best product page, for example. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to post them on Discord or book a time with us. Thank you.